109 gives an option to an entity to measure its financial assets and financial liability at FVTPL method if it has resulted in accounting mismatches. And this option is available at the time of initial recognition only. But how an entity and at what basis an entity will demonstrate that there will be an accounting mismatch in the transaction. So this total concept is based on the two principles. First, there is a perceived economic relationship between the financial asset and financial liability. It means that the financial asset and the financial liability both are affected by the same risk, and because of that risk, valuation of financial asset and financial liability will move in different directions. And the application of IND AS 109 will result in measurement and recognition of gain and loss at different method. For example, if a asset is measured at amortized cost and the related financial liability is measured at FETPL, but they have the perceived economic relationship and that is affected by the same risk, in that case, there will be a valuation impact. One impact will go in PNL and other impact will go in OCI. So in that case, there will be an accounting mismatch. And at that case, IND AS 109 provides us option to measure the FA and FL both at FVTPL. For example, in case of insurance contract, if the financial liability is measured based on the current available information as per IND AS 9, but the respective financial asset is measured at FVT, OCI, or amortized cost. In that case, the difference will arise and that will be called as accounting mismatch. Another example is if an entity has financial asset also or financial liability also, and they share the common risk, for example, interest, etc. And because of this risk, there is a change in value and that offset impact of financial assets and financial liability. In this case, however, out of this kitty, only some of the instruments are measured at FVTPL. So in this case, we have option to measure the financial assets and financial liability both at FVTPL.